Hello guys, welcome to the new vlog, and this vlog is going to be a different vlog. I'm going to give you the detailed feature list of this BMW 3 Series which I recently purchased. So this will be a vlog series, and in this vlog I'm going to give you the one of the best feature that I feel that BMW has added, and vehicle status feature that BMW is providing, which is very good, very awesome. Alright guys, so let's not stretch this further. Let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the infotainment system of BMW, and we need to, so I'm using this this wheel, and you can also use the touchscreen as well. So let's get started with this from this setting car. Now once you need to get into the car, then there is vehicle status. So there are four types of statuses that this vehicle will give you. Number one is tire pressure monitor, engine oil level, quick check control message, and service requirement. So right now it is all green, so which means everything is perfect. But my favorite feature is tire pressure monitor. Now ideally the tire pressure should be 31 ps, but I'm not driving it this since like last 2-3 weeks because of this lockdown thing. Right now it is giving the idea with 27, 28 and 29 the pressure level it's having currently. So this is tire pressure monitor. Then there is engine oil, which is also again okay. Again, then there is check, no, there is no fault, and this service requirement. So it is giving you an idea about when should be the service due and all stuff. Make sure you like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.